Hi, this is Irona Javada. I will be your instructor of this course. So why artificial intelligence? We have already heard the AI applications such as self-driving cars, medicine, and the list just go on. It's a never-ending list. But why now? Why not like 10 years ago or after 10 years? It's just because of the curve, the Moore's law. And it was first discovered in 1965. And it states that the power of average computer that you can buy for that $100 will double every 18 to 24 months. And the thing is, nothing can stop this curve. So now if we talk about the current situation, we have already passed the brain of insect processing thing. And we are at currently at the processing power of our rat. And by the end of 2025, we will be like having the human intelligence, like human brain. It's exponentially growing, like doubling every time. Let's just take the example of chess. In 1997, DeepMind was the first AI computer to beat the top chess player. Now, every phone can have the chess app, and no one would be able to beat the chess game if it is set to the hardest setting. If we consider the recent game, the game of the Go, in 2016, it has beaten the world top player, and it's more complex than the chess, but still you can see that it has beaten the top player. The thing is, it's just because of that car, the Moore's law. So in this course, we will be like using games to train the artificial intelligence models. Let's just take Google DeepMind example. They apply the same thing. The thing used in the DeepMind computer. They actually reduced the electric bill of their warehouse, and they were able to reduce the electric bill by 40%, and that's a huge number. The thing is, this Moore's law curve is exponential, and we are at the think of that curve. This will go straight up. The curve. It will be like a bone. So let's get this started.